Hello guys, welcome to another of my amazing video, and in today's video I'll be telling you how you can actually make money online with your Android phone right now. And this is something I've done. I've tried it, I've tested it, and it's actually worked for me, and I'm here trying to share that idea with you, and I'm going to show you step by step how you're going to do it. I'm not just going to tell you about it. I'm going to give you the steps and everything you'll need in order to start doing it right now. But before I'll go into the main deal of today, I would like you to just do some little things for me right now, like for you to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and do make sure you turn on the notification bells so that whenever I drop awesome videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified and you'll be the first to do it. And do make sure you smash the like button and just go down to the comment section and comment make money online. And after doing all these things, you're going to be at the point whereby you'll be making a lot of money. And so I'll just go into the site right now. I'll go into my browser, my Chrome browser. Where is it? Okay, I'll just click here and I'll click on it right there. And the name of this site is called picoworkers. Picoworkers. So just picoworkers.com. Picoworkers.com. I know some of you should have known about it, but I want to show you guys another kind of strategy, a crazy strategy that would help you and have actually helped me. And I'm going to log into my account like this. But if you don't have an account, you can just come over here and sign up. As you can see, the signing up is very easy. It's something you can do. Just put your first name here, your email, your password. Just confirm the password, your nickname, you select your country, and then you sign up. I think you do a little verification, and then you've gotten your account. That's how simple it is. So I'll come over here and log in. So I just log in like this. Though I've actually withdrawn money from this recently, and I don't think I have a lot of money. As you can see, that's 79 cents. I actually called some people to do. I actually did a work here. I did a campaign, so something like a campaign, and some people had to I had to order some for some people to do some tasks for me. So that was why it was like this. Actually, I had over I think over 70 to 80 something dollars right here, but I also withdrawn money recently from it, which I'm supposed to show you my proof in my PayPal, which I'll do. And so, but let me go into the main deal. As you can see, this is 1,200 results. That's 1,200 jobs available for you right now. So it means that if you are serious and if you are really dedicated, you can make as much as you can. As you can see, this job, once you complete it, you get 65 cents. This one, once you complete it, you get 60 cents. This is from my smartphone, not even my PC. If I should go into my PC, you'd see many more jobs. This is just my smartphone. It's just my smartphone. And the money I was telling you about, the $80 I made, so it's from my smartphone. I never used my PC. I left my PC. I actually did it with my smartphone while I was sleeping. I was doing some task. Like, as you can see, for this one, once you do it, you get $1. This one 3 cents just to vote. This one also 3 cents, 3 cents. This one just to visit a website. Like, there are many 1,000 jobs here that you can do. And you get paid for it. You can do very, very easy. It doesn't take any time. Very, very easy. And if you want to go to the category of watching videos, you can come over here to video marketing. Just click on it, click on apply, and then you see other jobs like video and watch, view, blah blah blah. You can see, and there are many more here for you to do. You can click on the subcategory. What do you want to do? Do you want to like? Do you want to subscribe? Do you want to do a task? Do you want to just watch the video? So your payment, how do you want it? Sorry, so where was I? Be fast. Okay, your payments, if you click on it, You can choose the amount you want. Do you want it in $1, anyhow you want it? So now I'm gonna walk you guys through how you can actually make money right now. So like this one, this is YouTube Watch plus like. Okay, so you just click on it. When you click on it, you can see the says to visit this, watch the first 3 minutes, like the video, screenshot showing you liked how many times the word Ellen was mentioned via voiceover in the first 3 minutes. So let's do that together, guys. So I just copy the name like this, copy, and then I just come over to Google. Oh, sorry. So I just come over to Google like this, and then I pressed it there like this, and then I click here, click here. So you can see, so there's a video. How many times was the word Elon?
Musk. Here you have this video about how much Elon Musk spends on a typical day.
So I'll pause it.
Before that,
So as you can see, I've actually watched it, and remember they told us to find out how many times Elon was mentioned, and I just finished watching it now. It was four times. So I just screenshot this, and then I screenshot this like this. So let's do the same page. So let's go back to our job. Our job. Or refresh it, like the video, no comments. There's no comments. So we just come choose a file. So we just upload a file we just screenshotted. You can see how the video is simple, how how it is very simple. So I just come and upload this. Has it been chosen? Please don't waste my time. Select. Okay. How many times was it mentioned? 4 times. So 4 times. Type your comments here. I did the job. I did your job. Your job sincerely and willingly, without the intention of scamming. So you just have to put something good so that they can believe you. So I'll just click and submit proof, and then it will be submitted. Great, tax completed. So you can see that we just earned 3 cents right now. And how many minutes did it take us? It didn't take us up to 5 minutes. We just earned 3 cents right now. And if you can continue to do it like this, you find out that you'll be earning a lot of money every day. So that's literally how I did it. And you saw it with your eyes. I didn't hide anything. I did it sincerely, and that's how I could make all this money here. Though this is the one that was remaining, that was how I could make over $80 just sitting in my room in my house like that. And this thing also have referral, so you can come here to refer a friend, and you can also copy your link over here. Okay, I didn't press the right place. Okay, yeah, you can also copy your link here, and then if you have any of your friend that would also be needing it, you can also share the link to your friend and also explain your friend how it is all about. So that's literally how I made over $80. And though this is what is remaining, yeah, how to withdraw it and how to set up a campaign, a job. I actually told them to like my website, and also told them to do some things, which I don't think you need to be aware of, but that's literally how I made over $80. And so I just want you guys to make sure that you subscribe if you have not done that, because this is a full information that was fully researched and I brought it out. And also, if you want to start, my link is below it is at the description box. So when you get there, once you click on it, you get your first 50 cents. You get 50 cents. You get 50 cents extra as a bonus extra. Once you sign up with the link, you get 50 cents extra. So bye guys. I really love you so much. So this is something you should do. You shouldn't see it and skip. You should do it right now. You can do it. So as I said earlier on, you should go to the comment section, comment. You can do it because it's something you can do. So bye for now, guys.